conducting sneak attacks in enemy waters, North Korea, led by Kim Jong Un, tested a nuclear-capable underwater attack drone. The country's state media has reported that the drone can also generate a radioactive tsunami. During the test, the drone cruised underwater at a depth of 80 to 150 meters for more than 59 hours. Reportedly, the drone is believed to be a dangerous possession because it can easily destroy naval striker groups and major ports by creating radioactive waves through underwater explosions. The state's media said this nuclear underwater assault drone may be launched at any coast and port or operated while being towed by a surface ship. These tests by North Korea came after the US and South Korea launched the largest amphibious landing drills, including the US amphibious assault ship, and were reportedly done to intimidate both nations. Furthermore, North Korea criticized the US and South Korea for escalating tensions in the region. However, both nations claimed that the exercises are for defensive purposes.